That matters. That we had a good time and we enjoyed each and one of you. And just keep on playing. That's all we gotta say. I'd like to thank Mission Tobacco Lounge, Skinny Magazine, Henry Bob, Fan World Tour. Also our judges tonight from El Robo, Mondo from El Robo. We got Tony over here. Okay, I'm Sick Boy. As well, we do a lot of production for bands such as Slipknot, Back in the Past, Pantera, and I heard some rockin' ass bands here tonight, so you're all winners in my book. Okay, we have two that are gonna dance, okay? Okay, advancing to the next round is Dharma. Okay, did they come? And, the Mendenhall Experiment. Okay.
Yeah!
Alright,
How was that?
Oh, yeah.